Hi, my name is Amber Powell and I am the fitness manager here at the JCC Creve Coeur. Today I'll be showing a brief demonstration of our Inbody machine scan. The Inbody machine is a quick and non-invasive scan that accurately measures your body composition and is trusted by leading experts and physicians worldwide. We're going to start by standing on this machine. After it measures your weight, you're going to input your height, and your age, and your gender. Now you're going to make sure your heels are lined up. And now you're going to grab the handles, thumb on the middle part, arms away from your body. You will get a printout of your test results, and then your personal trainer can sit down with you and go over your results, maybe pinpoint some imbalances you have, maybe set some goals for things to work on. So this is what our results sheet will look like. It will show you your weight, muscle mass, body fat mass. It will also show you your body fat percentage, and then it can also show you a breakdown of your muscle mass distribution throughout each segment of your body, which could be helpful to show if you maybe have an imbalance between the right or the left side of your body. This section shows your BMR, which is your base metabolic rate, which is the amount of calories that your body naturally burns at rest. All gym members get one free scan with their membership. Follow-up testing is a $26 charge, and we do not recommend testing any more than 10 weeks apart, as we won't see any significant differences. And if you're a paying personal training client, then that fee is waived for you. If you are interested in taking the Inbody scan, you can schedule a one-on-one appointment with the personal trainer via our form stack link or by visiting our fitness desk.